Hey guys, in this video I'm going to disclose with you the secrets of doing a killer keyword research so you can find perfect keywords for your ads. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can have all the keywords targeted to your store so you can run the perfect ads to them. So let me show you my process and how I exactly do it. So basically I use a couple of different tools. First off, the Google Keyword Planner, which is inside the AdWords, and Uber Suggest and Google itself. What I'm going to do is using an example here, and I'm going to use the store Shoe Buy, which is this one right here. And I think you know what it is. It's mainly shoes, but it also has clothing for women, kids, men, and also other stuff. So to save time, I will show you one specific category and how to perform a proper keyword research. So let's say I'm going to use shoes for men. Okay, so you can see that right here we have lots of different shoes, right? Casual shoes, dress, athletic, flats, all type, sandals. So there's a ton of shoes. You can see here men's shoes right here, which is here. You can see them here by category. We are going to divide now all these categories into different groups of keywords because, for example, let's say if someone wants to search for shoes for, let's say, women, okay, and want to advertise for category, general categories or shoes for women, but if someone searches for sandals, we don't want to show her an ad for women's shoes, but specific for sandals, right? If someone searches for sandals for overweight women or whatever, we want to show this person, this woman, a specific ad in terms of what she's searching. Okay, so we have, for example, boots, heels, sandals, flats, like I said. Okay, so now I'm going to head over my Google AdWords account, and what you want to do is choose the keyword planner, which is right here in tools. Select the keyword planner. It's loading now, so a couple of seconds. Here we go. So as you can see, you can get search volume, data, trends. You can search for new keywords or a phrase, using a phrase, website, or a category. So what we want to do now is click on the first one right here, and you want to search for new targeting ideas, keywords, which are keywords basically. So here you're going to change, for example, a couple of things. Okay, here's the targeting United States, so I'm going to leave that as is. Depending on the country that you want to target, okay, so you're going to select the one that you want to target. In this case, United States. So let's say I want to see what happens if I type sandals as target. Okay, so I'm going to type it in the search box right here. So I'm going to type sandals. Then I'm going to click on get ideas because I want to get some ideas. Okay, you can see here some different keywords like flip-flops, for example, sandals for men, gladiator sandals, ladies sandals, and we also have white sandals right here. And as you can see, the average monthly searches for specific group of keywords, the competition, and also the suggested bid right here, you have lots of information. So let's click, for example, let's say on white sandals. Okay, you can see here that they have several keywords. For example, the first one is kind of more generic, okay, white sandals, but below you can see they have the keywords black and white sandals, okay, which has an average of monthly searches 880. Competition is pretty high, but suggested bid is $1.73, which is this one is a totally different keywords but much more targeted. It has less average monthly searches. So basically what you want to do here is download this form. Okay, you're gonna click here, download, so it's saved to the Google Drive. You want to save it to the Google Drive. Then you open the file. You have all the keywords right there. Okay, all the keywords are right here. As you can see there's a ton of different keywords, and it's pretty good. So now you go back to the planner and you do the same thing with another one. For example, I'm going to select, let's say, let's see if they have it, flat sandals right here. Okay, and this is other keywords. Okay, all different keywords. So you want to download them, and you do the same like you have done before, so you can add more and more. So you now go back and add another one. Okay, like you have all the keywords here. You do the same exact thing. For example, I'm going to click right now on let's see, silver sandals. Okay, there's another group of keywords. But as you can see, my basic keywords is always sandals. So you're gonna download this one too. You're gonna open the file in Google Drive right here. So now you go back. For now, let's see, like you want to see, for example, like which keywords you want to target. Okay, for now I don't need some data, so I will delete these columns. This one's right here. Some of the columns I don't need them, so I'm going to delete them. Okay, perfect. I'm going to fix the data here in a second. Let's see. Okay. Here it is. Okay, so now what you want to do is copy and paste the keywords and have them all together in one doc. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one right here. Now I'm going to paste them right here. You're going to do the same with the other ones. You take this ones, copy and paste right here. Okay, so now that they are together, I can see that this is one of my categories with sandals. Okay, I have all the keywords specifically for sandals. This could go on to different campaigns that if you want to do a greater job, you want to divide things and everything will go together. You want to divide, for example, silver sandals together, white sandals, black sandals, etc. Pretty much like I've done here. What you want to do here now, you want to go back to the planner, the keyword planner. You know, we have different categories. So let's say, for example, let's say heels. Okay, I type heels in the bar right here, and I'm going to do the exact same process with heels that I have done for sandals. Okay, the exact same. There are different keywords here too, so the process is really time consuming, but what you will achieve is that you will get tons of keywords that you will use in your Google search campaigns, and you are going to use campaigns based on what someone is searching for. So if someone is searches, let's say for example, for white heels, okay, what you can do is give him an ad that it's the exact same thing that he's asking for. So there is another tool that you can use called Uber Suggest, which is this one right here. And this tool, it's fantastic. I've used it in the past for coming up with ideas for t-shirt campaigns. So you do the exact same thing. Pretty much you type sandals here. I can see, if you click on suggest, you can see, okay, it's loading right now. It's almost done, but you're going to see several different type of keywords. It's almost done. And here we go. Like there's a ton and ton of different keywords. Like for example, let me see, like sandals for men, sandals Barbados, sandals Antigua, sandals Church, Clark's, Cuba. There's a ton of different stuff. So let's type, for example, heels here. Okay, I'm going to click on suggest. And as you can see, I have a ton of different keywords here. For example, here's for girls, here's for prom, heels for fur, heel shoes, heels for UK, Australia, heels and heels. You have tons of different keywords. So what you need to do here is click on view as text, okay, and then you copy and paste in your main doc as I showed you before, okay, or even in a TXT document, okay. You could even put all the keywords in a TXT document. So now you get an idea of keywords that you want to target for your ads. One other thing that you can do is use google.com, a simple Google search, and type white sandals, for example. Okay, and you actually can choose like white dress sandals. Okay, if you go down the search, you can even get more ideas related. Like you can copy and paste the entire sentence and phrase right here and type in the keyword planner to get more and more ideas. Click on, for example, like you can go back to the keyword planner. You can click on modify search here, and you can type, let's say, click on get search volume and data right here. You can type white dress sandals here, let's say. You can click on get search volume, and you can see that this keyword has an average of 1,000 monthly searches, and competition is pretty high. So, you can do this for any type of keywords that you can find in Google, like I showed you. So for now, just keep a huge file of keywords that has to do with your specific categories that you will sell. Okay.